gears use straight teeth. They transfer rotation between parallel shafts. When a small gear drives a larger gear, speed goes down while torque goes up. Helical gears have angled teeth. That angled tooth pattern makes power transfer smoother and quieter, which is why they are common in transmissions and industrial gearboxes. A herringbone gear combines two opposing helical tooth patterns. The design is strong for heavy loads and helps cancel the sideways thrust created by ordinary helical gears. Straight bevel gears are cone-shaped. They transfer power between intersecting shafts and are commonly used to change the direction of rotation by about 90 degrees. Spiral bevel gears use curved teeth. Compared with straight bevel gears, they provide smoother and quieter engagement while carrying substantial loads. Hypoide gears look similar to spiral bevel gears, but their shafts are offset rather than intersecting. They are widely used in automotive differentials. A worm gear uses a screw-shaped worm to drive a wheel. This arrangement can provide a very large speed reduction and high output torque in a compact package. Planetary gearing contains a sun gear, planet gears, a ring gear, and a carrier. By holding or driving different members, the system can produce several speed and torque ratios. Rack and pinion gearing converts rotary motion into straight line motion. It is common in steering systems, CNC equipment, and linear actuators. An internal gear has teeth cut on its inside surface. It meshes with an external gear and is an important part of many planetary gear systems. An external gear has teeth on its outside diameter. Two external gears mesh together to transfer rotation, with opposite directions of rotation. Screw gears use helical teeth on shafts that are neither parallel nor intersecting. They provide smooth motion transfer between offset shafts. Cycloidal gearing uses